Hello, I'm Nick. I'm a third year medical student at UCL, and today I'm very quickly going to talk to you about how you can choose the best medical school for you and give you a little bit of information about the 5 different medical schools in London. So, as I mentioned, there are 5 different medical schools in London: UCL, Imperial, Barts, King's, and St George's. These 5 all have fairly similar entry requirements, all requiring you to do work experience, write a personal statement, and do A2 level biology and chemistry. The differences are UCL will require you to get an A star in one of biology or chemistry. The other 3 will require you to get 3 A's. And UCL and Imperial require you to take the BMAT entry test, whereas the other 3 require the UK CAT. So that's a little bit of the basic information about the medical schools, which you can find out very easily online. But it's very important when you're choosing which medical school to apply for to choose one which will suit you and what you actually want out of your medical school experience. So you've got to choose one which will reflect how you perform best academically, what will suit you in that regard, socially as well, with sports and societies. A great way to find out sports societies is the open days and websites like the Student Room, and also talking to anyone at open days, or if you might know them. But a really good way of finding out when you're sitting at home, finding out where the emphasis of a particular medical school course lies, is just go on the website, read through it all, and actually really focus on the language they use, and that every word they use they'll have chosen very deliberately. To illustrate this, I'm just going to read you a little extract from the first paragraph of St George's and Imperial medical school websites. So, St George's, the medicine 5-year course will equip you with essential knowledge, understanding, skills, and attitudes required to practice medicine competently, professionally, in a patient-centered, multidisciplinary environment. And Imperial, we deliver outstanding research and impact from our wide-ranging discovery and translational science programs and through our strong focus on partnership. Just from that, the 2 sentences in each, you can see St George's mentioning professional and medical competency and patient-centered, crucially, education. This shows they're going to be very much about the clinical side of things and teaching you how to deal with patients right from the get-go. Imperial, on the other hand, mention science and research 2 or 3 times just in those 2 sentences, which shows their emphasis going to really be on the basic science and a rigorous scientific basic understanding of the fundamentals of medicine. I hope this has shown you a way you can really read in depth the language which they use on their prospectus and on their website, and this will help you make the right decision for you and offer you the best chance of getting into medicine. Good luck.